What is up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. We are at a crucial point in the price of Aero, so we need to be making sure that we're staying ahead of the game. Now, before we do get into Aero, make sure all of you have paused that video, go and smash that like button. Drop me a sub if you're not part of the family already. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, I'm nearly better. I'm nearly there, right? So by tomorrow we'll resume normal service. But it's been a while since I did a Aero update. The price of Aero looks like it's making a pretty swift recovery. Now, before we do get into anything, I want to show you why you don't trust the comment section. Now, this was posted about 6 days ago, guys. You see there? 6 days ago. Watch this before you buy. You guys can go and watch this in your own time. But in this, I pretty much said to you guys that, like, you know, I might be having a bit of hopium for that 38 cents. So we'll start to buy from 40 cents. And if we come back down to 38 cents, then we can get those lower prices as well. But we start to buy now because nothing is ever guaranteed in crypto. Then you come down to the comment section and you see, I'm sorry Moon Puffles, but I'm going to have to call you out, right? Moon Puffles comments, sell now, second dump coming before end of July. So I said to them, I'm not playing that game. I'm going to accumulate and sell at targets. Then they say, it's happening now, but whatever makes you comfortable. I don't need to dump my bags. I'm happy being patient. Dumping and buying lower could sometimes fill your bags. Now, I just don't agree with this, guys, because so many people try and get greedy and they think that they know exactly when the price is going to go lower. They know exactly how low it's going to go, when it's going to go low. Moon Puffles hasn't got a fucking clue whether it's going to go higher or lower, when it's going to go higher or lower. It's speculation, right? They don't know. So now let's say we went to the comment section, we saw Moon Puffles and we said, you know what? They're right. It is going to go lower. And this is basically like pure price action why they're saying that it's going lower. Just because it had been going low at this point. Now, right here is Moon Puffles' revelation of why we need to be dumping our bags. Right in this big fat red candle, they said, yeah, dump everything. We're going lower. We're going lower. I said, no, you don't know that we're going lower, guys. This isn't guaranteed that we're going lower. If we do go lower, I'll buy more, but I'm not going to get out 100% of my bag, get 100% out of my position, and then, you know, be having a flip of a coin whether or not we actually do feel this. Now, if I was to sell on Moon Puffles' revelation, then I would have missed out on currently this 16% move, but all the way to the top here, we went up like 30%, right? And at that 30%, I could have panicked and I could have said, oh crap, it's at 70 cents now. Was it 70 cents? Yeah, 69 cents basically. It's at 70 cents now. Do I buy back in? I'm going to have to buy 100% of my bag back in at 70 cents. And then I buy it at 70 cents and have to endure this wick here, guys. And now we go all the way down 11%. This is just textbook how people love to wreck themselves, guys, okay? And you're gonna see it on X. You're gonna see it in my comment section. Even if we have a small bounce down right now or a small breakdown right now, people are gonna say sell all your bags because we're going to this price. People are telling me that we're going sub 10 cents, guys. I don't see it. So look, this is just a little lesson, guys. Do you want to continue to listen to people on X? Do you want to listen to anons in the comment section? Do you want to stick to your plan and enjoy a 75% bounce from the lows, guys? Which one do you want to do? Now, another reason why we are not selling our bags and expecting for lower. Sorry, I know I sound horrendous. I know look like I've been stung by a bee, guys. I apologize. But look where we are for altcoins, okay? There's no guarantee that we come down and print a lower low, okay? The low could be in already. We don't know. It's just a matter of time before we do start to have a swift recovery. Playing the getting out game and getting lower game at this stage is like highly risky, guys. No matter whether it's Aero or any of your other bags as well, it is super high risk. So if you want to try and be as greedy as possible and start to short the market and then get in lower and double up your bags or get an extra 20% on your bag rather than just like working a little bit extra at work and then buying more, then you can do that and you can up your risk level, but I am not doing it. But like I said, look, you're going to see things like this, guys. We saw it on both directions. So we had that wick up to 70 cents, but then we also had a wick down, right? This wasn't too long ago. We had a massive wick down for Aero, but people are starting to put the big inflows in. And we come back to the chart. In all honesty, do you guys really believe that you were responsible for this move? The general retail investor was selling the shit out of this, right? We were going lower and the sentiment, go and check the comments on my last videos, guys. Everyone telling me that I don't know shit and Aero's going to 0 and it's going to 10 cents and bloody blah. I said to you guys 38 cents probably going to be the low. Then we break out, have a retest, go. looks like we've broken out. We could be having a retest. This could be a bull trap. And then we do come in and we do print that low at maybe like a double bottom at around 40 to 38 cents. Who knows? Time will tell. But none of you guys, myself included, was responsible for this move, right? From 40 cents all the way to 62 cents, a 50% pump. None of us were responsible for that. The majority of retail investors were scared shitless, guys. And this is when the big money comes in and starts to print these candles for you guys to buy into these candles, and they do this to you. Then they shake you out, and then Moon Puffles tells you to go and sell all your bags, and then they start to slow grind up again, guys. I do want to say before we finish, I mean, I think we have had our massive capitulation event for Aero, okay? We bounced like amazingly off this support, and a capitulation usually is signaled by a massive reversal after, guys, okay? You've got that big fat crash, but then you've also had a massive correction here, pull back, and then you start to go again, right? We've printed a higher low here technically. This is something that I like to see in the chart, and if we do start to come to that 40 cents again, I'm pretty sure the majority of retail investors, well, hopefully some retail investors, will start to realize, look, 40 cents is where all the big players came in. Maybe it might be a good idea to be buying at around 40 cents rather than trying to buy at 70 cents, and then we can enjoy our next legs up for Aero. But as always, we need to keep a close eye on Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin is still at 58k. We're having our consolidation. I mean, I don't really like these trends in the chart where we do start to print these sort of lower highs and higher lows, because usually they do break down, right? But nothing is guaranteed. If they do break down, I'll be looking for some top ups at 52k and at 48k. What price is that going to send alts? Who knows? But I'll be basing my alt pickups on the 52k and the 48k, being that they do hold, guys. So that's another thing that all of you need to bear in mind. But that's it. Aero's at 62 cents today. Did you buy that dip? Are you still on the sidelines? You can let me know in the comments. If you made it this far, please be sure to go and smash that like button. Go and drop me a sub. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Peace.